Man, I can't even keep up with all the projects I got going on right now. So I gotta repair this. I pulled on this cable. I was like, what the hell is this? So I gotta redo this. I'll just clip it and solder it. Put that in the pile over here. I gotta pull the board on this and clean the board. I gotta move my 2-meter stuff. I gotta find another end connector for this thing here. I wish I had just a regular bird meter. This is like, if I ever wanted to sell it, nobody's gonna buy it. D Electric, Raymond, Maine. It says a unit of general signal. What do they mean, like a company? So maybe the company's name is General Signal. And then I didn't even put the plate on here straight. It's crooked. Directional RF watt meter model 1000A, impedance 50 ohms. So if you look down here, it'll say jeweled. Oh, we can't really see it from here. Jeweled instrument incorporated, made in the USA. Model 75 TB. Field strength equals 30 microamps DC. Something. Anyway, it is basically a coaxial dynamics meter. It uses bird slugs. And I need to get rid of these end connectors, but we're pretty sure that this looks like made in early 80s, late 70s. The stamp looks like tested and complies to applicable specs. 681, whatever the hell that stamp says, 10 something. So it's pretty old. It behaves and acts like a bird. I've seen it's pretty accurate. It's not peak reading or anything like that. So the coaxial dynamics meters look like this. I'm gonna guess that this company sold their design to Coaxial Dynamics. Supposedly, Coaxial Dynamics is a company that's somebody who used to work for Bird started. So I don't know. Anyway, I'd still rather have a bird meter. Actually, I don't really like any of them. They're more like, you know, they're like, they're not really a station, you know, monitor. I don't know. And I'm sure as hell not buying a Telpost or what is it, the LP 700s. Yeah, no, I'm not spending that kind of money on a meter. That's ridiculous. The meter shouldn't cost as much as a radio. We're not doing laboratory measurements here in ham radio. Anyway, I'm getting ready to pull this board. I'm really not looking forward to messing with this thing some more. Hey, let's just turn it on and see what it does. Let's see if it even locks. Look, it's out of lock. So I haven't even done anything to it, and it's not locked. So, let me get in here and show you guys what to look for. If I guess, you know, I should just maybe make a video of what to look for and explain to you how come I can't figure out mine and why you should listen to me, because I really know what the hell I'm doing when mine's still broken, right? So these guys on the radio, like, kind of reminds me of, you know, giving people advice. They can't even fix their own crap. But anyway, this is just kind of public information. So this PLL and this PLL and that one and that one and that one are all, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, I think it's IC19, IC9, and an IC8, and then 7. This one here, you'll look at pin 7. But the other thing too is over here on this connector, you're going to look and you'll find 4 volts. Okay. Skip over to the next one, you should find 14. Okay. If the PLL is locked, you'll get the sum of everything on that green wire. Okay. Is not. And then if you want to know, I guess apparently what board it is, you unplug this connector right here, and then you test these again. And if you do not have voltage anymore, then it means that it's on the carrier board in there. So the fault is not on the carrier board. We still have voltage here. We would go over here to count to pin number 2. We would check to see do we have lock. We don't. We would go over here, pin number 2. Check to see if we have lock. We do not. And then we go over here, pin number 2. See if we have lock. We'll probably have lock on this one, which is pin 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, no, that one's locked. And it seems like it's just these ones. I've never had this one unlocked. So I guess it's probably something in the area over here in this board. And this is underneath where all the nasty stuff was. We tried to clean the wax out of here. There's a little bit of wax here. I think I'm going to go ahead and hit that with a blow dryer. I don't want to use a heat gun. I think it's too aggressive. So, anyway, those are some of the things that I found that people test for. But my problem is specifically on this board, this thing going out of lock. So, once it's locked, everything's good.